Welcome to beautiful Phoenix, Arizona. We are at 3547 West Redfield Street. This amazing home is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, $13.96 on the square footage. This home was built in 1971. This lot is about 12,000 square feet. So super good sized backyard. Do have an RV gate over here. This home has been recently updated. So as you can see, you got pretty good back path that way. Lots of curb appeal on this one. There's a 2-car garage and a laundry area. Again, this bedroom size is 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms. All right. Check out those floors. Flooring is beautiful. Open concept over here, which is great. This home is pretty spacious. Again, only 1,396 square feet, but it's laid out pretty nice. This home has all new windows and doors. So a lot of great natural lighting. We'll come over here and check out this kitchen and this granite. So it's a really pretty granite over here. Has a nice flow into the kitchen. You do have gas here, which is nice. All the appliances are great. They are pretty stainless. And this one has a hood and opens up possibly this dining area, which, I mean, you pretty much could do whatever you want with the space, but I'd probably use it as dining. Makes the most sense. You could easily put about 5 or 6 stools here. The whole home is painted a gray base, white trim. And again, this one you're priced at only $447,000. It's move-in ready. If it's a home you'd like to see, you know what to do. Hit me up in the direct message. Like and subscribe to my channel. Love to help you purchase this home. Right now, we can get you in before the holidays hit. I mean, we can close you in the next 20 days. This home is vacant, ready for you to come on in. They did do the same floors and color pattern through the whole house. Sorry, not pattern, color palette. You have new blinds, which is great. Closet space in this one is pretty good. They all have nice walk-in closets. That's your view out. And going back to the bedrooms, you do have this beautiful bathroom. Everything is fresh and new. Got a little squeak there. All right. Head back this way, and this is the master suite, the primary bedroom. So you got good closet space right here. So a walk-in. You have views to the backyard, which are wonderful. Have a coffee in the morning, have some wine at dinner. And this is the beautiful master bathroom. Very pretty home. So come out this way. And again, this one is a 2-car garage. So lots of storage in here. This is where your laundry would go. So you could park your 2 cars here, have some storage shelves. Let's check out this backyard. So super pretty. And this is a pretty large lot. You do have a gas fireplace back there. It is a diving pool and you have an extended patio. So a diving pool out here in Arizona, you're probably about, I would think, like 6 to 8 feet, possibly 10. That'd be something the inspection would go through. And it's so quiet. If I stop talking and just let you listen, this is what it's been like all day here. And this lot is just huge. Typically you'll see a lot at 5,000 to 6,000 square feet, and once in a while you'll get a 8,000 square foot, but this one's over 12,000 square feet, non-HOA, with an RV gate. Okay, heading this way. So that's the RV gate that I showed you from the front when we started. So possibilities are endless back here. You could do a built-in kitchen, a hot tub area, put another pergola, storage. It's just so much you could do having this much space. Okay, so let's head on in this way. We did go through the master to come out, so I'm going to come back in here. Recap the living space. So again, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, located in Phoenix, Arizona. This is in the community of Deerview, non-HOA, remodeled. Taxes on this bad boy are only $12.51 a year. Again, no HOA. Remodel just happened. So it is fresh and ready for you to move in before the holidays. If you like what you see and you want more info, let me know.